Welcome to Prodigrow. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of journaling for self-improvement and providing some tips on how to get started. Many of us understand the positive impact that journaling can have on our lives, but it's important to know when and how to do it effectively. So, let's begin by discussing when to journal. While it's ideal to write in your journal every day, it's not always possible. Therefore, try to make it a habit to write regularly. Personally, I prefer writing in the morning to set a positive tone for my day or at night to reflect on my experiences before going to bed. Now, let's dive into how to journal. You can use a traditional notebook and pen or a digital device such as a phone or laptop. However, I find that using a notebook and pen creates a stronger connection between your brain, hand, and handwriting. Additionally, writing manually can be therapeutic and provide a break from the digital world. One of the biggest differences between journaling and social media posts is privacy. Your journal is a safe space where you can write about your fears, worries, emotions, and anger without fearing the judgment of others. You can write honestly and straightforwardly, and a few sentences are enough to express your thoughts. Avoid overthinking or writing too much, as it can increase anxiety. In addition to expressing your feelings, you can also write about your daily goals, achievements, successes, and setbacks. You can even include affirmations to motivate and encourage yourself. Writing about what makes you feel relieved can help you move on and approach new tasks with a lighter heart. Finally, keep your journal book safe and secure, as it's a record of your struggles that you can revisit for introspection and retrospection. You never know, your journal could inspire others in the future, just like the journals of great historical figures such as Marco Polo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Isaac Newton. In summary, journaling can be a powerful tool for self-improvement. Remember to keep it private, honest, and straightforward. We hope this video has inspired you to start or continue your journaling journey. Thank you for watching Prodigrow.